Hello, in front of me I've got Mercedes EQA. In this video I'll show you 5 worst features of this car. Let's start with limited boot. The boot has only 355 liters and rear space due to battery replacement and GLA platform is also limited. Average efficiency range drops sharply on motorways or in cold, 250 to 300 km real winter mixed. Firm ride on larger wheels compromises comfort on poor roads. Software glitches, inaccurate range estimates, and occasional infotainment bugs. And lastly, high repair costs for EV components outside the warranty. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.